बहुत पुराने से यहाँ पे, लेकिन भाजपा काम कर रहे हैं।
आघाडी काम करेगा ओनली शरद पवार भाजप वाले मैं महाविकास आघाडी वाले
They are all equal for us because for us they are all customers. So it is best to remain apolitical.
नेशनल तो आ गई है अभी, विधानसभा की सरकार आने वाली है, सब मिलजुल के नहीं रहे।
मैं सीनियर सिटीजन हूँ तो समझो अभी वो वॉकिंग के लिए कुछ रास्ता नहीं है, ग्राउंड नहीं है।
Election only BJP should come.
मतभेद रहता है, मनभेद नहीं है।
In the heart of Mumbai, in Dadar, is a place that's steeped in history. 114-year-old restaurant Mama Kane that serves authentic Maharashtrian food. It's been around for a long time, pre-independence restaurant. And we are going to find out not just about the food, but also about what people here think about the state, the future, and what really they expect from the next government. किशोर सर, थोड़ा सा बताइए कि सरकार अभी आने वाली है, नई वाली, आपको क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है?
नेशनल तो आ गई है अभी, विधानसभा की सरकार आने वाली है, सब मिलजुल के नहीं रहे। अलग अलग जो पक्ष है वो पक्ष रहे। महाराष्ट्र में सब एक ही है, कौन जीतेगा कौन हारेगा मालूम नहीं पड़ता है।
मुंबईकर हैं आप, काम पे जाते हैं, तो आपके हिसाब से सरकार को क्या क्या करना चाहिए?
सरकार ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। रेलवे में जो लोकल लाइन लाइफ लाइन है, लिफ्ट दिया है, ब्रिज दिया है, मोदी सरकार को उसके लिए धन्यवाद।
आपको लगता है सरकार कुछ और कर सकती है औरतों के लिए?
हाँ, थोड़ी महंगाई कम करे तो अच्छा रहता है ना लेडीज के लिए।
Hi, you're a youngster. What is your expectation from the elections and your expectations from the new government?
So, firstly, I'm a doctor. I'm a physiotherapist. So, I recently read that manifesto was released recently by the Mahayuti government and the MVA. So, what I found was they are going to allocate more fund for healthcare facilities. So, my expectation being a physiotherapist that since they have launched a plethora of schemes for healthcare, be it Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Yojana, they have extended the scheme for elderly above 70 years. So what I would like to say that to add physiotherapy in that scheme so that people who are undergoing physiotherapy after say their surgery or after their primary illness, so physiotherapy should be a part of that scheme. So as of now, elderly people and people who are undergoing surgery, they are getting physiotherapy, but it's not covered under their insurance scheme.
And what is your understanding of how the government has worked? What more can the government do for all sections of society?
So I have worked in a few government hospitals during my studying, during my post-graduation. So although the schemes are reaching, but government hospitals are just one part of healthcare system. Ayushman Bharat Yojana it should also reach private hospitals. Since the reimbursement rate is a bit low in private hospitals, so that scheme should penetrate also to the private hospitals.
आपकी उम्मीद क्या है सरकार से?
हम कांदोली से आए हैं, ऐसे दादर वगैरह देखिए जरा दादर में क्या क्या है चल, लेकिन अभी पहले सरकार नहीं रही, बहुत भीड़ हो रही, चलने को नहीं आता यहाँ पे, सब जिधर मार्केट फेरी वाला इतना है कि पूछो मत, चलने को नहीं होता फेरी वाले की इधर
भीड़ रहता है। हम पुणे से आया, पुणे से 20 किलोमीटर लंबा आने जाने का भीड़ रहता है। एक डब्बा रखना मांगता है ना, वो सीनियर सिटी का लेडीज का।
ओवरऑल जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, आपको लगता है ठीक हुआ है और ज्यादा होना चाहिए?
नहीं, और ज्यादा होना मांगता है, और ज्यादा होना।
और पब्लिक बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं ना, हाँ पहले सरकार नहीं रही, अभी बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं, तो इनके लिए होना चाहिए सुविधा सब। हाँ अभी तक मैं बहुत पुराने से यहाँ पे, लेकिन भाजपा काम कर रहे हैं।
आपको भाजपा काम
कर रहे हैं अभी। हाँ
आपको महाविकास काम करती दिखाई दे रही है? आपको लग रहा है कि अगाड़ी काम करती है?
आघाडी काम करेगा ओनली शरद पवार।
तो दोनों अलग अलग विचारधारा फाइट नहीं होता है?
नहीं होता है क्या, घर में क्या फाइट होता है? इस अपना घर का संबंध रहता है ना। अभी अजीत दादा और शरद पवार का झगड़ा तो हो रहे है ना, अभी वो साथ में रहता है ना, वो कैसा रहता है? हमारा उनका बात अलग, हमारा आपका मनभेद नहीं है, मतभेद रहता है, मनभेद नहीं है।
सर आप बताइए, इलेक्शंस आर कमिंग अप, चुनाव आ रहे हैं, तो उसमें आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है?
एक्चुअली ऐसा एक जनरल बात करें तो अच्छा डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, बहुत सारे हैजर्ड से नहीं होना चाहिए। पर अगर मैं सीनियर सिटीज़न हूँ तो स्पेशली हेल्थ का जो है अभी इशू, हमारा इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम इतना बढ़ गया है और उसके बाद भी क्लेम पूरा नहीं देते हैं उन लोग। फॉर सम अदर और द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स वो क्लेम कम कर देते हैं, तो हेल्थ का हमारा हमको बहुत ये रहता है। और गवर्नमेंट ने जो बताया है, जो इंश्योरेंस देंगे या ऐसा वगैरह, तो सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए अच्छा होना।
तो अभी तो मोदी जी ने बोला है कि 70+ जो है वो ऐड होंगे। डू यू थिंक दैट इज अ गुड मूव?
हाँ, अच्छा मूव है, बट एक्चुअली ग्राउंड रियलिटी अभी तक आना है। ग्राउंड रियलिटी भी अगर अच्छा होना चाहिए। और जो हमारा इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम इतना बढ़ गया है और उसके बावजूद हमें क्लेम नहीं मिलता है, प्रॉपर नहीं मिलता है।
और मुंबई का जो डेवलपमेंट आप आसपास देखते हैं, फ्लाईओवर बन रहा है, रोड्स बन रहे हैं, आपको लगता है वो और ज़्यादा होना चाहिए?
हाँ, थोड़ा बेटर होना चाहिए। समझो एक तो बेटर होना चाहिए, वो तो होना ही चाहिए क्योंकि कंजेशन बहुत है। बट एट द सेम टाइम ऐसा समझो अभी हम सीनियर अगेन कमिंग कि मैं सीनियर सिटीजन हूँ, तो समझो अभी वो वॉकिंग के लिए कुछ रास्ता नहीं है, ग्राउंड नहीं है, तो ये सब सिटीजन के लिए जो सुविधाएं हैं वो नहीं है इतना। हम कोई वॉक नहीं कर सकते, हमको जाते हैं बात तो कोई रिक्शा, हमको डर लगता है कोई रिक्शा ठोक देगा, कोई साइकिल वाला आएगा, कोई कार आएगी, तो देयर इज़ नो प्रॉपर वे ऐसा।
It's a 114-year-old restaurant in the heart of Mumbai. And Mumbai, like I said, is not just about vada pav. There are hundreds of Maharashtrian dishes that many of us don't know about. And safeguarding the recipes of all of that, and in fact, in taking them further, are these two people, Sridhar Kane and Dilip Kane, the owners of Mama Kane restaurant, which is always crowded and which has the signature style of making Maharashtrian dishes the way they've been cooked several centuries ago. Thank you both of you for joining me on this show. Sridhar ji, एक बताइए, ये जो रेस्टोरेंट है इसका एक हिस्ट्री है, इसमें क्या महाराष्ट्रियन डिशेस का रेसिपी बनाने के लिए आप लोगों ने सबसे ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी क्या है?
This establishment was started in 1910. My great-grandfather, he migrated from Konkan to Mumbai. Okay, and he started this place. The motive was that there were a lot of laborers coming in Mumbai in those days. So he had an idea of providing them the food which is local to the Konkan. That is why he started this place. Original name of this place was Dakshini Brahmananse Upahar Groha, Swachha Upahar Groha. People are curious about why there is the word Swachha in this. See, earlier when the restaurant started, my great-grandfather was helped by his wife and sister in managing the kitchen. When ladies manage the kitchen, they have a tendency of keeping it clean. That's when the word clean came from in our name, Swachha Upahar Groha. And in 1928, we have moved to the current place where we are. Earlier, we were somewhere else. And we serve Maharashtrian food like potato vada, which is our signature dish. Then misal. Then you have aloo vadi. Then you have kothimber vadi. Then you have thalipit, which are essentially core Maharashtrian recipes. And we also serve thali in two formats. One is a mini thali and one is a regular thali. Okay. The objective and then the guiding principle for all this, we are fourth generation running the business. The guiding principle has been to provide an affordable food to a common man on the street, and we have kept that tradition.
I would like to ask you, you have seen Mumbai for a long time. How has Mumbai changed? Because now there are people from different parts of the country. It's always been like a melting pot of different cultures. But tell us, in your view, how has Mumbai changed, and also the food demand?
See, Mumbai has changed earlier after industrialization. There are a lot many industries in Mumbai. So people are looking for a healthy food. So they are coming with a healthy food at our place. Thereafter, the Mumbai from number of industries, it has become to a service sector. This thing.
I'll add to that. We have seen a lot of changes, and by God's grace and by people's blessings, we still have loyal customers who are our customers for generations. And the younger generation has now many options in terms of cuisines. They are more experimentative and they want to try different things. But they also have liking for traditional food also. So we also have visitors who are younger generation visiting us for traditional food and relishing that.
Did you make any many changes in the menu in the last many years. What was the most significant change?
See, we tried making changes in terms of introducing South Indian and all those cuisines, but people come to us mainly for Maharashtrian food. So we are not continued with those things. We are experimenting with few more things, which will come in next 3 months time kind of thing, and trying to give a fast food touch to the traditional dishes. That's what we are working on currently. In terms of style, in terms of decor, we have not changed. We have purposely kept it old one because people relish their memories and they will have nostalgia about this place. And if we want to renovate or add decor to this place, it will be a cost to us, which will have to be passed on to the customer, which we don't want. We want to have an affordable food tag in line.
Sir, also how easy or difficult is it for a restaurant owner to stay away from politics? Because like you were also saying, your customers come from different backgrounds. How is it important to remain apolitical but also make sure your voice is heard?
All the voters are our customers. So essentially we have customers who belong to various parties. And they are all equal for us because for us they are all customers. So it is best to remain apolitical because you see political lineage, it's towards our voters, towards our customers. And customers come from all stratas, all parties and all that. And they love, all of them love us equally.
You were telling me this wonderful thing that you actually have lunch in this place. So that, why is that?
See, lunch is there because you see, this is a marketplace and a lot of people come here for shopping. Near the other station is the biggest flower market. Okay, so once they are done with the purchasing and marketing, they naturally want to have a place where they can sit and eat a homely kind of a food which is served as a thali. Okay, so that is why we have kept this thali, which a lot of people come only for a thali which has homely touch.
What is your favorite dish, sir?
My favorite is potato vada.
Mine also potato vada. Also, we also eat here daily. We also eat the lunch which we serve to people.
You eat the lunch that you serve. Why is that?
See, because you see, we want to be sure about the quality, what quality we serve it to customers. So in order to make it sure that we serve quality food to customers, we ourselves test it and we ourselves eat it. Okay.
And my last question, do politicians also come here?
They do come. They do come. Yeah.
You will not tell us, who are the ones who come. And any specific suggestions to the next government, how they can sort of change or make improvements to Mumbai?
See, make it more bearable to the common man in terms of services and facilities. Okay, that's what I would say. Yeah, because if you look at the common man's daily routine, it's quite hectic in Mumbai. So make it a little easier or little palatable to them.